Ever wondered how long it actually takes to travel to the Moon, Mars, or even Jupiter? Space travel sounds like science fiction, but NASA has been sending spacecraft to these destinations for decades. So how long does it really take? Well, as with most things in space travel, the answer is, it depends. 1. Traveling to the Moon. Let's start with our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. Back in the 1960s and 70s, NASA's Apollo program sent astronauts to the Moon using powerful Saturn V rockets. The fastest of these missions was Apollo 8, which reached lunar orbit in just under 3 days. But if speed isn't a priority, spacecraft can take longer using fuel-efficient paths. Some modern robotic missions take weeks or even months by following slower but more energy-saving trajectories. 2. Getting to Mars. Now let's talk about Mars, the next great frontier. Mars is about 50% farther from the Sun than Earth, which means it's a long haul to get there. A spacecraft on a direct path typically takes between 7 to 10 months to reach the red planet. For example, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter took about 7.5 months, while the MAVEN mission took a full 10 months. Why so long? Well, space travel isn't like driving in a straight line. Engineers carefully time launches so that a spacecraft arrives at Mars when the planet is in the right position. 3. The journey to Jupiter. And now let's go even farther, to the gas giant Jupiter. Jupiter is about 5 times farther from the Sun than Earth, making the journey incredibly challenging. If we launched a spacecraft directly to Jupiter, it would require an enormous amount of fuel. So instead, NASA often uses gravity assists, slingshotting past Earth or Venus to gain speed without using extra fuel. Using this technique, spacecraft can take 5 to 6 years to reach Jupiter. NASA's Galileo mission took just over 6 years, while Juno, the latest spacecraft to orbit Jupiter, made the trip in just under 5 years. So let's recap. Getting to the Moon? Just a few days. Heading to Mars? 7 to 10 months. Making the journey to Jupiter? 5 to 6 years. As technology advances, these times may shrink. Who knows, in the future we might reach Mars in mere weeks, or even travel to Jupiter faster than ever before. But for now, space is vast, and getting there takes time, patience, and a whole lot of planning. If you enjoyed this space adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic content. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.